CuddlyNest Review Usage Experience. CuddlyNest is a global vacation rental platform designed for travelers seeking a seamless, budget-friendly, and personalized booking experience. It boasts an extensive range of accommodations, from cozy apartments to luxury villas, catering to solo travelers, families, and groups alike. What sets CuddlyNest apart is its innovative pricing model, no hidden fees, and a split payment option for group bookings, making it ideal for those traveling with friends or family. During my experience, I was impressed by the platform's intuitive interface. The filters are highly customizable, allowing you to sort by budget, amenities, location, and even pet-friendly options. One standout feature is the multi-currency support, which simplifies payments for international users. Another key highlight is the seamless integration with maps, letting you pinpoint properties close to landmarks, beaches, or city centers. CuddlyNest also includes reviews from verified guests, ensuring you book with confidence. While browsing, I found that the platform aggregates listings from trusted providers, offering competitive pricing and robust variety. The booking process itself was straightforward: minimal clicks, clear terms, and instant confirmations for most properties. Customer support is also worth noting. I tested their responsiveness through chat and email, receiving prompt, helpful replies every time. That said, CuddlyNest isn't without its limitations. While the inventory is extensive, it may not yet rival giants like Airbnb in smaller, remote locations. Additionally, certain listings lack detailed descriptions, requiring you to double-check amenities with hosts or support. However, for mainstream destinations and major cities, CuddlyNest shines with its affordability and user-friendly features. In summary, CuddlyNest is a fantastic option for travelers who prioritize cost transparency, variety, and ease of use. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long vacation, its streamlined platform and customer-first approach make it worth trying. If you're tired of overpaying on booking fees or struggling with group trip planning, CuddlyNest provides a fresh and reliable solution.